To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Me deal with him, man. Wicked, man.
Alright, me just want
Me shoot him in the leg and me shoot him in the back. And you know some most time when leg shot reach.
You ain't scared you ain't stop breathing?
I know a blessing on me once. But if me not comfortable in one space when me a worship, what sense me a come there? Better me stay in my house and worship then.
Well, as long as you have God in your heart, you can turn in your heart and worship. Nothing wrong with that.
That's really true. But you know, for church people and something, you know, some more you pray for me though. I don't know if you can give me like about, you know, half an hour of prayer because
Half an hour?
yeah, last time you pray for me and you pray so long, I win a cash pot.
So you tell me say funny last time, why any man have the funny last time you talk to me? See you say man come and tell my shit in a brother. I'm gonna resolve that thing. So you tell me say man things after that dog. Judge you.
So, the day me hear what you saying about what you say you do.
What me say me
Yeah,
do?
we are different thing or what? At that me come here.
brother,
Listen,
brother,
man, at that me come here.
I want
If
to
you are
help you, but me
doing,
can't help you. But I want if you can't help you, me can't help you.
you don't want to
Come
help
share,
me.
say you come like a man you're in a quicksand. And for me to help you right now, you come like go and pull on myself to that day. I come like no sense, you know. You know?
Normal, that's a normal prayer, man.
Come
Just
like you know.
do what you do before me even reach you. The figure tell me even come check you.
So, brother, me depend, but watch
yeah,
out. Watch out. You listen.
Don't
Watch out. A bulb you know one. Watch out, man. A bulb you know.
Don't
No bulb you say one, brother. Some man that no bulb you want.
Eh?
No bulb you say. Watch out. Me can't call him for you.
Bulb,
Brother, me call him, man. No bulb you say no one, brother.
A bulb?
No bulb you know one, brother.
Yeah.
Me can't come give you.
Alright,
Brother, me can't come give you.
alright,
Catch me,
do it.
you go and Zane. You see, if you have, it's ready, you get there, brother. Me no
They
deal
say
into
we
no
can't
again,
catch
brother. Brother, watch out, man,
shot
brother.
ball.
Brother, me no tell me get him, man, brother.
Really and truly, a bulb be a problem.
You say we are shoot up here. What for that? Sister! Father, I really did some sign.